all of your marketing, all of your on-page content needs to follow the StoryBrand approach. At Juris Digital, we're the only certified StoryBrand agency. So we do that. We don't just get the technical side of SEO, which is where my background kind of started from. I came from fixing computers over 20 years ago and building networks and things. And I got into digital marketing and I had to learn a lot of different skill sets to do that. And now we use a framework that converts a lot higher than other agencies that you work with. Settlement pages is another one. People aren't creating the content around that. They're not creating best pages. People are searching for the best personal injury lawyer. Instead of necessarily asking their friends like they used to, they're Googling this and they're trusting this. And you can't necessarily say that about yourself or maybe put that on your website, depending on whatever bar rules and regulations you have. But there are ways around that. Some of those are creating listicles of other great firms in your areas and telling people, putting your best foot forward as well. It's basically showing up in all of these areas. And 10 years ago, we called that the Barnacle SEO approach. Now, some people call it share of search. It's about the right strategy. And the strategy is just a lot more comprehensive than it used to be. We're talking about other elements we need to throw in, which are social media signals. After I find your brand, if I don't call you right away, I'm doing research. So then I'm typing in your brand name plus reviews, another content opportunity. I could be going to YouTube, could be looking at social media profiles. I could be reading your reviews and seeing how you respond to the negative ones that you get. I'm getting a full picture of how to judge your business because I only want to do business with people that I like, right? And if you've gotten all of that nailed down and you've put that strategy down, then you're going to start attracting more of those right cases. And then it's time to start really understanding your intake as well and making sure that's lined up. Because the other mistake that I see in 2024 is that people are doing all of this and then not answering the phone or returning an internet lead call within 24 hours. That is completely unacceptable. Let me tell you, when I Google you, I'm going to remember you for right then and after I hit submit. And then a couple minutes later, if you do not respond to me, I've not heard from you, I will have completely forgotten what your brand is and who you are. And that's just the nature of consumers these days. So speed to lead is important. So there's a lot of factors here, but those are some of the ones that come to mind for me. And I just hope you find that useful.